Good afternoon, this is Mark Mason with Mason Company Roofing out here in Salem, sending this to Allstate to show damage, also to illustrate that this roof is not repairable, that it does need to be replaced because any effort and attempt to repair it will just cause further damage. So first I'm going to illustrate hail damage that we've already sent pictures to, as well as other damage and other issues on why this roof is not repairable. So first, come over to the front of the house. I've circled pretty easily 13 different hail hits just on the front. We've already submitted other pictures for the other slopes, but there's additional damage other than just the hail and other issues with this roof that if any attempts to repair it will just cause further damage. So this is just a quick illustration of hail damage on the front of the house. So highlighted in the back of this, the right side of the house, is I've circled other damage other than hail. We come down this way. You can see damage caused. What could be tree limbs or any other storm damage related issues, all there, and there. More over here. Over here shows the shingles sliding altogether, where they've come loose due to wind, and the storm has pulled the shingles down, starting with here and there, all the way down to this whole section, along with additional damage to the matting, where you can see the fiber mats. All the shingles come completely loose with the nails, all that has. There's more areas on this roof just like that. Down here, there's more damage. There. There. More shingles starting to slide from wind lifting it and coming loose. Here's a small piece that the wind tore off. More damaged shingles that could be caused from the tree here. That would be more than just the tree limbs falling. It could be storm related damage. More over here. Ridge cap damage up here. Down there, wind damage there, more damage over there. Take a look at that. Give me that pry bar. So if I come down here, now I make an effort to repair these shingles because of the age of the roof and because of the brittleness of it. It'll likely damage the shingle above it. In order to fix this one, I got to get this one out. I got to take this one off. So I got to come up here, pry all this out, making all this loose, so it could just damage that shingle. So just by trying to repair this shingle here, I damaged this shingle there. And I'll continue to do that as I make more repairs, causing more damage. Look, did that one right there. Same thing. Due to the brittleness of this roof, it cannot be repaired. Please give me a call if you have any questions. My name is Mark Mason, again with Mason Company Roofing. My number is 540-420-5693. Thank you.